Hello friends, today's topic daughter's college fees is rupees 2.5 lakhs. Shall I invest in stocks for 6 months? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As all of you know, we conduct question answer sessions in Kannada, in YouTube live, in our channel. Large number of people ask questions. Many of them are answered, but many of them are not answered because of lack of time. And whatever questions that are left out, we make a separate video. One interesting question was, by May 2025, I need 2 lakhs for my daughter's college fees. Currently the money is in my bank account. Shall I invest in stock market till then, make some extra profits? It's a very common question, may be useful for everybody. Our observations and comments are as follows. 1. When the entire investment is only 5 to 6 months, it is not usually suggested to invest in stock markets, especially since it is college fees, we cannot miss the payment. 2. It is better to invest in a bank FD or a debt mutual fund so that you will surely earn some returns without a risk. 3. In case you are very experienced stock market, you may explore some short-term trades. However, you must be ready to bear the additional risk and ready to bear some loss if it happens. Ideally, any money needed below 3 to 4 years must never be invested in equity instruments. 4. You may also explore conservative hybrid funds which invest around 75 to 80% in debt instruments and only the remaining in equity. Second question of this episode is, some people I know are suggesting to me to do commodities trading. I don't know anything about it. In the past, I have lost money in FNO trading and I feel commodities trading is also risky. What is your opinion? Our observations and comments are as follows. Number 1. As you are thinking, commodities trading also involves leverage while trading and is as risky as FNO trading. 2. Don't just take anybody's suggestions unless you study and understand about it in detail and understand the advantages and disadvantages. 3. Only if you have high risk appetite can afford to lose money in commodities trading, it's better to stay away from it. 4. Focus on long-term investing and some short-term equity trading. Stay away from intraday, FNO, commodities, forex trading, etc. for your own safety. They may all feel lucrative and tempting, but the result is usually a net loss. The third question of the day is, do all the predictions of brokerage companies, analysts come true? Can we blindly believe in them? Observations. Number 1. When stock market analysts make some announcements on specific sectors, it is just their opinion based on the research and calculations. It did not be fully accurate always. In fact, just like anybody, their predictions can also go wrong. 2. Whenever we read any research report, we need to do our own further study and then decide whether to take the action or not. 3. If we blindly take action based on analyst recommendations, if we make profits, good. But if we make a loss, we need to still take responsibility. It's our money and the final investment decision is ours. 4. We cannot blame nor rely completely on anybody with respect to stock investment. Research reports should be used to get ideas for further research and learning so that we can get exposure to new companies and ideas. The next question of this episode is, I have around 23 stocks spread over 6 lakhs investment. I have invested by 3 to 4 installments around 10 months back, but I am not able to manage the stocks well and my portfolio is down 8%. What's your suggestion? Our observations and comments are as follows. Number 1. Look like you have not attended our stock market course which teaches you to manage your portfolio in an efficient way. 2. Ideally, you must have around 10 to 12 stocks in your portfolio so that you can monitor their performance and their quarter results. 3. If you hold too many stocks, you will not have sufficient time nor expertise to manage your stocks. 4. If your portfolio is down around 8% currently, it is likely that your stock selection is also not good so far and hence you are negative in spite of Nifty index itself being up by around 18% in 2024. 5. We suggest you to learn about stock markets in a systematic way so that your current investments and future investments will grow smoothly and as expected. 6. You will learn to select better stocks and limited stocks which you can manage easily with proper knowledge. The next question is, since 2.5 years, I have been in stocks and mutual funds on a monthly basis. My stock portfolio has given 13% per annum CAGR, but my mutual fund has given 17% per annum results. I am feeling mutual funds are doing better than me. Observations and comments. 1. We have been observing the same thing with many investors. Direct stock investing seems to be glamorous. However, all investors are not successful. 2. On the other hand, if you can select good mutual funds on your own or with the help of an advisor, you would make higher returns than your own stock investing. 3. If after 2 to 4 years also your returns from your direct stock investing is not up to the mark when compared to your mutual funds, maybe it means that you may be better off sticking to some good mutual funds. The reason why you need to invest in direct stock is to make more than what we get in mutual funds. But many investors don't succeed in this. 4. This assessment has to be done by all investors who are investing in direct stocks. Please note that there is no shame in investing in mutual funds. It is important to earn good returns with reasonable risk irrespective of the instrument. At the end of the video, here is a question. Education expenses these days are very expensive. If you have children, what is the annual school fees for your children? Type the annual fees and age of the child. In case you are not the member of this channel, it is time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends, and the video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching, bye bye and all the best.